What if I told you the government has money set aside right now, up to $20,000, to fix your home and you never have to pay it back? Most homeowners have absolutely no idea this exists. I'm Talia from Sirtaintea, and in the next 4 minutes I'm going to break down exactly how HUD home repair grants work and how you can apply starting tonight. Here is what most people don't know. HUD, the Department of Housing and Urban Development, distributes over $30 billion every year. A significant portion goes directly to cities and counties to fund home repairs for everyday homeowners. Billions go unclaimed every year, not because the money isn't there, but because nobody tells you it exists. Here is how the money actually flows. HUD does not send you a check directly. No. Instead, it gives large blocks of funding to your local government, your city, county, or a nonprofit housing agency in your area. They run the programs. You apply locally. The two main programs to know are the Community Development Block Grant, called CDBG, and the Home Investment Partnerships Program. Under these, your county or city can offer you anywhere from $5,000 to over $20,000 in home repair assistance. Much of it is structured as a forgivable loan, meaning if you stay in your home for a few years, you owe nothing. Zero, sit. To qualify, you generally need to earn at or below 80% of the area median income for your area, and that's higher than most people think. If you receive SNAP, SSI, or Medicaid, you often automatically qualify. You must own the home and live in it as your primary residence, and the repairs must address a health, safety, or structural issue: roof, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, foundation, or accessibility. Seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities often get priority. Here is your action plan. 3 steps. Step 1. Call 211 tonight. That's the National Social Services Hotline. Tell them you need home repair assistance in your county. They will connect you to the right local office. Step 2. When you reach that office, ask specifically about CDBG rehabilitation programs or homeowner occupied rehab programs. Use those exact words. Step 3. Gather your documents: your deed, proof of income, a utility bill, and photos of the repairs you need. Submit quickly, because these programs have wait lists and limited funding. A housing inspector will visit to assess your repairs. Then the program handles the contractors and the payment. You just have to take the first step. Listen to this. This is a composite illustrative story. I want to tell you about a homeowner who had a leaking roof for 2 years and buckets in her bedroom. She had no idea help was available. She called 211, qualified for her county's CDBG program, and her entire roof was replaced at zero cost to her. Zero. Now here is the catch I always keep real about. These funds are limited and first come, first served. Some programs close their waitlist within weeks. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting. Call 211, go to hud.gov/state. Ask about CDBG home repair programs in your county. Do it this week, not next month. And if this helped you, subscribe to Sirtaintea right now. Every week, I bring you real information about free money programs and government benefits most people leave on the table. Drop your state in the comments. I will tell you if funding is currently open in your area. This is Sirtaintea. I'll see you in the next one.